Your legs carry you through every stage of life, but over time you may notice small changes. Standing up feels slower, climbing stairs takes more effort, and long walks leave your legs tired. Many people think that's just part of getting older, but the truth is more hopeful. What's really happening is a gradual loss of muscle, circulation, and essential nutrients that your body needs to keep your legs strong. The good news is that you can rebuild that strength naturally. Some of the most powerful tools aren't in a gym, they're in your kitchen. Let's talk about simple foods that restore power, protect your bones, and keep your legs steady and confident, even in your 70s, 80s, or beyond. Lentils are one of the best ways to rebuild strength. Most older adults don't get enough protein, and lentils are full of it. They repair tired muscle fibers and prevent further loss. They're also rich in iron and folate, which improve blood flow so oxygen reaches your muscles faster. Better circulation means more energy and quicker recovery after walks or chores. Lentils are gentle on digestion and heart-friendly, perfect for anyone managing cholesterol or blood pressure. They also contain magnesium and potassium, which reduce cramping and keep muscles contracting smoothly. Add them to soups, salads, or stews with olive oil and herbs. Each bowl quietly fuels your legs, one meal at a time. If your legs feel heavy halfway through the day, it might be unstable blood sugar. Brown rice helps fix that naturally. It provides slow-releasing carbohydrates that give your muscles steady energy without the crashes you get from white rice. It's loaded with B vitamins that convert food into fuel, and manganese that supports bone density. Over time, you'll feel smoother movement and better endurance. Enjoy brown rice warm with vegetables or as the base of a healthy bowl to keep your legs moving strong all day. Spinach is another quiet hero. Its natural nitrates open blood vessels and deliver oxygen to your muscles, so they work longer with less effort. It's packed with magnesium, calcium, and vitamin K, which support flexibility, strength, and bone health. The antioxidants in spinach calm inflammation that wears down joints. Add it to omelets, smoothies, or sauté it lightly with garlic. Even a single cup a day can make your legs feel lighter and more flexible. Greek yogurt does more than help digestion. It's rich in casein and whey proteins that rebuild muscle tissue even while you rest. If your legs feel sore after walking or exercising, a daily bowl helps you bounce back faster. It also provides calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients your bones rely on for stability and balance. Together, they lower the risk of falls and fractures. Plus, probiotics in yogurt improve nutrient absorption so your muscles get more from every meal. Enjoy it plain, with fruit, or blended into a smoothie. It's an easy way to nourish both muscles and joints. When your knees ache or your joints feel stiff, inflammation is usually the reason. Walnuts fight that naturally. They're full of omega-3 fatty acids that lubricate joints and keep them flexible. They also contain magnesium, protein, and antioxidants that strengthen muscles and stabilize blood sugar, so your legs feel lighter throughout the day. Better circulation sends oxygen straight to the muscles, fueling every step. A small handful each day is enough. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, salads, or yogurt. Consistency matters more than quantity. And finally, the humble egg is one of the best complete foods for rebuilding strength. It's packed with high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids your body uses to repair and grow muscle. As we age, the body loses muscle faster than it replaces it, but eggs slow that down naturally. They're also rich in vitamin D for bones and choline, which keeps communication between nerves and muscles fast and accurate. That means better balance, coordination, and reaction time. The healthy fats and B vitamins in eggs provide steady energy all day. 1 or 2 eggs daily are perfect. Scramble them, boil them, or mix them with vegetables. The key is consistency. Eating these foods separately is great, but combining them multiplies the benefits. Nutritionists call it food synergy, when one ingredient helps another work better. Pair eggs with spinach for strength and flexibility. Combine yogurt with walnuts for muscle recovery and joint protection. Enjoy lentils with brown rice for long-lasting energy. Your body builds strength a little every day, not all at once, so daily habits matter most. Here's a simple routine you can follow. In the morning, start with protein. A boiled egg or a cup of Greek yogurt gives your muscles what they need to begin the day. At lunch, have lentils or brown rice to keep energy steady. For dinner, include greens like spinach to help your muscles recover overnight. Snack on a few walnuts for healthy fats. And don't forget to drink water. Dehydration often feels like weakness or cramps. Gentle movement helps the nutrients you eat reach your muscles. Try seated leg raises, heel-to-toe walks, or ankle circles for 10 minutes daily. Even small movements turn on circulation and make food work like fuel. Let's recap the essentials. Lentils rebuild muscle fibers. Brown rice provides steady energy. Spinach enhances blood flow and flexibility. Greek yogurt repairs muscle and strengthens bones. Walnuts reduce inflammation and protect joints. Eggs deliver complete protein and nerve support. Together, these foods form the perfect foundation for lifelong strength. Age doesn't decide how strong you stay, your choices do. Feed your body what it needs, stay hydrated, keep moving, and you'll feel the difference in every step. Your legs have carried you through life. Now give them the nourishment they deserve. Let's keep every step strong, steady, and full of life.